I found that reselling isn't about finding one source of merchandise and sticking to it. It's about the adventure, the hunt of finding new and exciting merchandise to list and sell online. In today's adventure, I'm going to be diving into the world of online auctions. There could be treasures lurking, so let's dive in. What is up, beautiful people? Today here with another episode. Today I got a little bit of a different video. I am actually going to be picking up a auction that I won. So I want to try a couple different methods of getting items to sell, resell on my eBay store. So I did go find an estate sale. They had some auctions online and I started bidding and I won. So I'm gonna pick that auction up. It's about a little bit over an hour away, so not too bad. They could have shipped it, but the reason I didn't have them ship it is because obviously I'd be more cost. And then plus I think it'd be pretty cool to go pick it up, you know, my first experience, my first bid, my first auction. So I'm gonna go up there and pick it up. Let's get going. So I don't know exactly what's inside of this bundle, but I will pop up a couple pictures of what it's supposed to be in this bundle. The one thing that I did see that I could recognize, should pay for the whole lot, because I paid like $69 and some change for it. And then the rest of the stuff will obviously just be like profit or whatever. There was some games, there was some computer games, some PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 3, PlayStation 2, and then maybe some computer games, something like that. So we'll see. We'll go through it together whenever I get it. After I get it, when we get back to the house. And I'll give you a little preview once I pick it up. But I've got 11 minutes and I'll be there and we'll see if I made a good deal. So this looks like the place. I'm about to go in here and pick up my items. So this is a little preview of everything I got. I don't even know what this is. This is the one thing that I was kind of looking at. We'll do some further inspection, but this could be pretty glorious if it's got everything in here. It's got like couple little consoles, whatever this little console thing is. It's got a bunch of games. We'll go through some of the games. It's like a Blu-ray on the top. I don't know. Oh, some controllers, some PS3 controllers. So yeah, we'll pull everything out. I got another box up there in the front and I'm bringing it in the house and we'll look at it. Okay, so I'm kind of pulling everything out of the first box. You can see there's some games. This first looks like Final Fantasy. We have that in common because I love Final Fantasy. It's got some PSP games in here. Some of these are cards. What cards are these? These are Yu-Gi-Oh cards, maybe? I actually believe these are Magic the Gathering cards. San Francisco World Championship 2004. Huh. Maybe it's got some value. I don't know. It's got some other cards in there too as well. So we'll look at that. And then it's got some other, a steel case, Marvel vs. Capcom. I don't know what game that is. We'll look that up. Let's see. It's just a burned DVD and another PSP game. This is like a Japanese or Chinese version. They actually had some other electronics in here that I didn't realize. It's got a Linksys router and a Netgear router. This little Sony recorder. There's a bunch of stuff in here that I didn't even realize was in here, honestly. Maybe that's a CD. Oh, this is the sleeve for that. And some kind of cable. It's just a burn DVD. Now I got some other cords and cables and stuff down here as well. Oh, this is cool. A PlayStation 2 memory card, sealed. I don't know how much that goes for. And what's this game just randomly at the bottom? Final Fantasy 7, one of my favorite games. And we got some other just kind of loose CDs here. They may have cases in here and the rest of the stuff. But I'm gonna go out and grab the, what is this? I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go out and grab the other box and we'll pull everything out of there as well. All right, so the second box is, it's got some more, looks like games, maybe some books, some gaming books. We'll pull it out and pull all the stuff out of it. Okay, so the first couple things I pulled out was a couple of World of Warcraft books. I guess these are like strategy books or something like that. Some little small ones, and then there's some hardback books. Oh, this is cool. Final Fantasy XIV Online. So I think that may go with the bigger item over there. This is Conan exclusive. something. It's kind of cool. It's a book. Nice book. Aeon Limited Collector's Edition. I've never played this game either. Okay, let's see. What else we got? Settlers, StarCraft, Wings. Some of these are just blank. Some of these are just blank. Let's see, Soul, Caliper 5. I don't even know if all these got CDs in them. Some of them may not even have CDs in them. We'll pull everything out. Here's some loose cards down there. So I'm gonna get everything out on the table and then we'll just kind of look at the value of everything. Okay, so I'm opening up the Final Fantasy thing and everything seems to be in here. It's got the game itself. It's got a bunch of discs in there, and then it's got the book, and it's also got whatever this thing is. I'm assuming it's something that came with just the collector's edition. So hopefully that will bring me some good cash. I don't know. It looks like something was supposed to be right here as well. So I'll look and make sure that there's not nothing missing right there. But overall, this looks like it's in pretty good condition. Okay, this is pretty much all the stuff. Now I'm gonna go through and look at the value of the stuff. I just wanted to show you everything that we got. So PlayStation 3, God of War 2, looks like maybe, or 1, I don't know. This one's a cool Blu-ray disc. Then we've got 2 PSP games, Tectis, Orger, and then this one is like in Japanese maybe. So this one's sealed actually. This is PlayStation 3 Killzone, and then Nier. And then we got Soul Calibur 3, PlayStation 2, Battle Coliseum, PlayStation 2, a bunch of Japanese titles. I want to say these Japanese titles because I found something that said that they went to Tokyo. So I'm assuming these came from Tokyo. And of course, the Final Fantasy Online. Then we got the 3 controllers. I think these are PlayStation 2 controllers, maybe PlayStation 3, I can't remember. Then we've got some, we got whatever this console is. This is the Real Arcade Pro console. So I don't know what that's worth, but it's a console here. There's another console over here. And then all of these are just computer games. Half-Life, whatever that one is, Civil War. It's a whole bunch of computer games. I don't know how much value computer games have, but they may have some values. And these are some music, or some music albums. Gypsy Kings, Birds of Fire. I don't recognize any of these bands. And then this one is the only PlayStation game, which is Final Fantasy Chronicles, Final Fantasy 6, and Chrono Tiger. Then we have the sealed 8 megabyte memory card, PlayStation 2. Then we have the cards. I didn't check those out. Then we have this little Sony recording device, and I found the software for it, and I don't know what I did with it. I may have thrown it back, but I do have the software, I guess, that goes with that. One random lost 6th season final disc. Then we had this Capcom Marvel versus Capcom. It did not have the disc in it, but it does have this really nice steel case. So I think the steel cases sometimes just have value by themselves. And then we got this one. I don't think this one had anything in it. It did not. So that one, Soul Calibur 3, didn't have anything in it. And then these are all the books that we had. And then this is another game. I don't know if that one had anything in it. No, that one does not have anything in it either. I'm gonna show you the ones that didn't have anything in it here in just a minute. I got over to this, which I showed y'all earlier. This is the Aeon Limited Collector's Edition. So this one does not have the game in it. However, it does have a figure in there. So maybe the figure has value. Somebody has the game but doesn't have the figure. I think there's value there. And then also there's miscellaneous games back here that didn't have cases. Dawn of War, Game Day 98, Street Fighter Plus, a couple of Civilization games, and EverQuest 2. So that was all of those. And then there was a random poster or something like that. So I'm gonna go through the value of everything, and then when I come back, I'll let you guys know what I think the value of this is. Mind you, I paid $69.60, I think, something like that. Okay, so I got everything added up. I added in those computer games. There's a couple of them that was a little bit shocking, but you know, nothing more than like $20, $25 on those. But everything together, The resale value on this stuff is about $1,198. And I pretty much showed you all of the sold comps for pretty much everything. There was a couple of them that didn't have sold comps, but for the most part, most of the stuff had sold comps. And I feel like I'm missing some of the stuff. I got to still go through all the rest of the cords and cables. Like I said, I'm listing 100% of this stuff. Anything that can sell will be sold. Oh, I did also get this. This was like $15 or something like that. So pretty good haul, I believe. So auctions may be the new thing. I talked to the auctioneer, the guy that owns the auctioneer company, and I asked him if they were going to have any more auctions soon. And he told me just to go check out their Facebook page. And he said that they're going to have some more auctions. They'll post up there when they're going to have them. So I'm definitely going to be getting into some more auctions because I think you can get a lot of really good stuff. I know I see people all the time doing estate sales. I'm like, I ain't going through rummaging through nobody's house, but I will allow somebody else to rummage through the house and then list all the stuff on the auction site, and then I can just bid on it. That's the way. That's the way that I want to do it. But we may go to some auctions or to some estate sales. I always like looking for gaming. Gaming for us has been very well. We've made thousands of dollars on vintage gaming. My dad was a big gamer. Me and April are gamers as well. So I see the value in games, and people do just buy these different games, the computer games, the PlayStation 1 games, PlayStation 2 games, because you can't find them. Obviously, you can't go to a Walmart and buy a PlayStation 1 game. I mean, you know what I mean? So you have to, unless you can find it in a secondhand shop or in a place that has vintage games, you may not be able to find your specific game. It's, you know, if you want to play something right now, you have to go on eBay or Amazon or whatever and order one. So with that being said, I've got a busy day ahead of me listing all this stuff. There's so much stuff to list and some stuff I got to clean. The games, the discs themselves pretty much look really good. I'm going to have to spread out the card set and take a photo of all those to make sure that people know exactly what they're getting. I don't know if any of the cards have been taken out. It doesn't seem like any cards have been taken out because it's pretty tight inside the package that it comes in. So that's $100. That did surprise me. Actually, some of these Yu-Gi-Oh cards, they were just some random Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and I went and I priced every one of those. You know, some of them was like, you know, $1, $2, $3, but there was a couple in there that were a little bit more than that. So like I said, I'm gonna list all this stuff, and hopefully there's gonna be some more of these types of videos in the future if I can find some good sales. We may try some garage sales, yard sales, different things like that. I want to get into all facets of reselling. I want to, I don't want to leave any stone unturned. You can always get money, and you can always get merchandise and stuff from different places. You don't have to be just stuck in one place. So that is going to be it for today, guys. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, subscribe. Really appreciate it. Also hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.